Hello, my name is Hugo and this is my video presentation of a scientific paper by authors Dag Trier and Ines van Boxley. The paper is called Love is Blind: Indiscriminate Mating Responses to Male Courtship Pheromones in Newts. So the main goal the authors had was to determine if the male's visual cues are really pertinent or if they're subordinate to the olfactory pheromones during courtship. So the experiment was done by selecting receptive female newts from two different species: the alpine newt and the palmate newt. They also gathered normal water and water filled with the male's courtship pheromones, and I'm going to be calling that water courtship water. The second step was putting two females from the same species into two different tanks, and also putting two females from different species in another two tanks. So 4 tanks were used. The first one with 2 alpine newts in their own courtship water, the second one with 2 alpine newts in normal water, the third one with alpine and palmate newts in palmate newt courtship water, and the fourth one with alpine newts and palmate newts but in normal water. So if you look here on the left side of the image, you can see the main behaviors that all newts show while in courtship. That is the male waving its tail towards the female trying to touch the male's tail, and the female waving the tail towards the male to end courtship. So the final step was recording the reactions of the females. So as you can see in this chart, the L. alpestris name stands for the alpine newt, and the L. helveticus name there on the right stands for the palmate newt. The 3 lines of graphics represent the 3 behaviors of the female newts while in courtship. So in the interspecific part of the image, the L. alpestris represented the 3 main behaviors when they were in their own courtship water, represented by LA there on the bottom. And the same happened in the interspecific cases where L. alpestris represented the 3 behaviors when it was in its own courtship water, but it didn't when it was in the L. helveticus courtship water. And, of course, the L. helveticus represented the 3 behaviors when it was in its own courtship water. But what you can also see there was in the normal water tanks, represented by W, nothing happened, almost nothing happened. None of the behaviors were shown. The conclusion reached was that the main factor influencing female behavior during courtship are in fact the pheromones and not the male's visual cues. So the pheromones are also very strong, but they are species specific, having little to no effect on other species. These results confirm the title of the paper, proving that in newts, appearance is susceptible to pheromones, and that, at least in those cases, love is in fact blind. Thanks for watching.